This is number 10 out of 7.4, and the problem's asking us to use the half angle identity to find the exact value. So y'all, it's telling me to use a half angle identity, okay? So we have the sine of 112.5. And when I look at all of these here, y'all, they're all asking me to do the same thing. They're asking me to find what number do I need to divide by 2 to get 112.5. So all we can do, y'all, let me clear this out. Boom, let's go 112.5. If we double it, we're looking at 225, right? Okay, so that's going to be 225. All right, so y'all, what I want to know is, since I'm using a half angle identity, I'm going to come back over here. Here is my half angle identity, y'all. So we're going to say the sine of 225 over 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 minus the cosine of 225 over 2, okay? So y'all, first thing I want to know is, what is the cosine of 225 degrees? So y'all, I'm going to come right over here. Here's my 225. Cosine is negative square root of 2 over 2. So y'all, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write plus or minus big old square root 1 minus the negative square root of 2 over 2 all over 2, right? Because that is what my formula tells me, okay? So y'all, let's see if we can do a few things here. Plus or minus, okay. So y'all, when we're dividing by 2, that is the same thing as multiplying everything here by 1/2. Okay. So let's see, we're going to have, first off, minus and minus, that's going to become plus. So that's going to be 1/2 plus the square root of 2 over 4. Okay. We're going to come back here, plus or minus. Okay, let's get a common denominator. 2 over 4 plus the square root of 2 over 4. Okay. And that's going to give me big square root 2 plus the square root of 2 all over 4. Okay, I'm going to keep working here, y'all. 2 plus the square root of 2 over the square root of 4 is going to give me 2 plus the square root of 2 all over 2. Okay, now, this is my answer, y'all, but I need to come back over here because if we remember, y'all, we had that plus or minus, right? So let's think of this, y'all. If we're looking at the sine of, let's see, what angle is this? 112.5, y'all. 112.5, that is going to be 112.5 somewhere right in here. So we're going to be in quadrant 2, okay? So y'all, this is quadrant 2, and in quadrant 2, my y value is positive and my x value is negative. And because my sine involves my y value, y'all, I'm looking at the positive one here, okay? So y'all, first thing I'm gonna do, come back to my problem right here, okay? And right here, y'all, I'm gonna enter in 225. Okay, boom. Let me put the same thing here, 225. Okay, let's check that, okay. And then what did we get for our answer? We got a fraction, where the top part was 2 plus the square root of 2. Let's see if I can find my plus. More. My plus is right there. Okay, let's come back this way. Oops, sorry. Let's come back here. On the inside, we still had a square root of 2 all over 2 on the bottom. Boom. Okay, let's check it, and we got it, okay? So again, that was number 10 out of 7.4.